Hey guys, this is how to connect ConvertKit form to Elementor. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So just simply follow along. So guys, first thing is just simply set up your API key. So get your API key from the ConvertKit website. So guys, in order for you to do that, just simply go to your ConvertKit, go to the profile over here on the top, go to the settings over here. And now from here, just simply scroll down and go to the developer over here, and you should be able to see here your API key. And now after that, just simply go to the WordPress admin. And after that, in WP admin, just simply navigate to the Elementor and just simply go to the settings, go to the integrations tab, scroll to the ConvertKit section, and just simply enter your API key in the text box and just simply click validate API key in order to proceed, and just simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen and just simply click save changes. And after that, just simply add the ConvertKit to Elementor form. So just simply add the form widget to your Elementor page. And after that, just simply click on the form widget and then go to the content, go to actions after submit, and then just simply add action. And from there, just simply choose ConvertKit from the list. And after that, just simply configure the ConvertKit integration by just simply opening the ConvertKit toggle and make sure that it is default, and make sure that the default is selected under the API token. And guys, under form, just simply go ahead and select your ConvertKit form and just simply match your form fields to ConvertKit fields using the field mapping options. And now, once you have done all of that, guys, just simply go ahead and test the integration. So just simply save your Elementor page and view the live version, and just simply fill out the form with test details and click on submit. And after that, just simply log in into your ConvertKit account and verify that the details were successfully added. And there you go. See ya.